How to sell websites with Lovable. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you a method that you can use to start selling your websites with Lovable. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So basically, you're just going to go ahead and create your website with Lovable, make it a more like a public template that you can record and be able to advertise for people to actually, be able to purchase. So first of all, you just need to note that there's a lot of different ways that you can sell websites. You can host them yourself for specific people. You can, or you can just do this alternative, which is more like selling a template of a website, which I'm going to show you today. So in order to do so, what you want to do is find the project that you're working on. So in my case, let's just say this one is going to be the one that I want to sell. So next up, what I want to do is actually download the entire code, so the entire thing, not just bit by bit, but the actual entire thing. So to do so, what you want to do is connect your Lovable to GitHub in order to actually get the code of the entire thing. So to do so, click on the plus icon at the bottom left and click on GitHub. Now from here, you're just going to click on add connection and click on add account. And here you simply just want to log into your GitHub account and authorize some stuff. Just give them a few access points and that's all you need to do. Okay, so once you actually connect your Lovable with GitHub, it's going to automatically sync whatever you do with Lovable to your GitHub, and it's just going to be added to your repository, and it's also going to be always updated with it. So just go ahead and locate which repository is your project that you want to be selling. In my case, it's going to be this one. And once you actually click on it, what you want to do is download the entire zip file. So click on code here and click on download zip. So this file is going to be the one that we want to sell. This is going to be the entire website. So people are going to take it as it is. Next, just go ahead and create an account with Gumroad for free. It is completely for free, and the only time they will actually charge you is when a transaction actually happens. Then they will get a small cut. Other than that, it's completely for free to set up and start selling your products in them. Now, once you actually set up your account a little bit, just click on new product from the top right, and you're just going to select digital product, and you're just going to go ahead and give it a name. Next up, scroll down and add the price point for it. So you can just, select the price and click on next. Now you're just going to go ahead and customize a few things. You're just going to add a description about the actual template if you want to, and you can add the actual cover image of it. So you can just take a screenshot and upload that, or you can even upload a video or maybe even a link in the description to a YouTube video that you uploaded, which is, showcasing the actual website. For the URL, you're just going to go ahead and add a path for it. So instead of it being random, you can just go ahead and make it something more clean. And what else? You're just going to upload a thumbnail as well, which is going to be the cover image. And the product information is going to be the call to action. You can just do buy this. This is going to be more like the actual button. And if you want to add a summary, you can just go ahead and do that in here. And if you want to also add more details in there, you can just feel free to add that. Now, there's a lot of different options here, like integrations, if you want to invite them to specific, Discord server, or, a lot of stuff here. I recommend that you go through them. Maybe something, in here does actually, intrigue you. You can just go ahead and toggle that on if you want to. Or even if you have, different versions and stuff. There's a lot of options that Gumroad actually provides for you to sell your digital product. But anyways, just go ahead and finish up everything that you want to add in here. Next up, just go ahead and go to the top, click on content. This is going to be basically the file that you will be selling. So click on upload your files, computer files, and you're just going to go and select it like so. And you can even finally customize the receipt if you want to. You can just, type things in here and see how it's going to look in the actual receipt. And once you're, pretty much done, you can just publish and continue. And now, obviously, you're just going to go ahead, and I did not even connect my payment method, so this is why it's not publishing for me. Obviously, you would want it to get money, so make sure you connect your payment method within the actual settings. But anyways, once you actually publish it, now it's going to be up to you on how you actually want to market it and share it with other people, and make people actually come to buy it. So this is a whole different story. But with that being said, this is pretty much how to sell websites for or using Lovable. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.